Hi guys, so for this week's design I am starting off with white, and as you can see I'm doing this side swipe. You can of course choose to mark it off in tape, or I am just freehanding it. We're now going to use a black and white striper. So starting off with the white, we're going to curve a line coming down underneath the side swipe. Moving to the black, we're going to curve a line going up on the white tip that we've made. So next we're going to use a small dotting tool and some black polish, and we're going to do the curved row of dots that you can see here on my nails. Lastly, over the whole nail I'm going to use one of my own indie polishes. This is Aurora and it is a scattered hollow.